Good morning, all of you. I'm Lavya Ashti.
I am Arjun Kumar.
I am Numan Ashti.
I am Nishant Dana.
And we are the team members of Brainstormers. As you all know that today is the RoboFest and the topic on which we are going to present you a project is Smart Dog. As you all know that we only rely for our safety and our house safety on dogs. But as you know, the time is passing and thieves are also getting advanced. So they bring some advanced tools to cut through your locks or your houses doors. So suppose this is like this is a situation of a house which has installed our project. So when the thief will cut the door's lock and try to enter through the house, then the barricading will fall on his head, or if he is brisk walking, then the barricading will fall on the stand. So now when he has unlocked the first door, then he'll move to the second door. So when he'll cut that, he'll enter that. So as our robot will be armed because the owner is sleeping, or when owner is going somewhere else for a long time, it will arm the robot and it will be like on, and it will start beeping after sensing the robot, and it will beep loudly so that owner can get to his senses and call the authorities to arrest that. And as you know, as the thing will come in your mind that after hearing the buzzer, the thief will try to run. So when he will try to run, then he'll be bumped into the barricading and will be dizzy for some time. And then this is the time it is very efficient for the owner to call the police. So as the time is also passing, this is just a project of, and this is not a real simulation, it's just a simulation of, it's a project. So in the real life we can do more. So as you know, the time of pixels is gone, and now there are motion sensing cameras over there or sensors over there. So in the future time we can install these cameras on every wall and every corner of the house. If the thief's motion will be detected on the camera, and it will inform to the robot, and it will start beeping, or it will be recorded. And this can be armed or disarmed when the owner at the owner's choice. Thank you.